Moms, if you're tired of spending hours in the kitchen but still want to serve up delicious home cooked meals, this is for you. I know, it's been a minute since I last uploaded, but life's been busy. If you're new here, I'm Nina, and I help busy moms find products that make life easier and more fabulous so you can spend less time cooking and more time living. If that sounds like your vibe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to check the link below to grab this Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric cooker for yourself. Okay, let's talk about this kitchen powerhouse. I use this all the time because it cuts my cooking time in half while keeping the flavors locked in. That means I get tender, juicy, flavorful meals without standing over the stove for hours. This thing is a game changer because it's not just a pressure cooker. It's seven appliances in one. You can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, saute, make rice, warm food, and even make yogurt. Few appliances cluttering up your kitchen, more counter space for all the fun stuff. I start by adding potatoes, corn, and sausage right into the pot. The food grade stainless steel in a pot with a tri-ply bottom ensures even cooking with no sticking. Next, I pour in some broth and seasonings and to let everything soak up that delicious flavor. Now, I just set it to pressure cook for 5 minutes and that's it. No stirring, no babysitting, just press and go. And did I mention this thing cooks up to 70% faster than traditional methods? That means I get delicious home cooked meal in minutes while handling everything else on my to-do list. For my fellow moms out there worried about safety, this has over 10 safety features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid. No pressure cooking horror stories here. Once the time is up, I quick release the pressure, toss in the shrimp, and let it sit for a couple of minutes. And boom, dinner is served. Look at how perfectly cooked everything is. The potatoes are tender, the shrimp is juicy, and the flavors next level. All of this in under 15 minutes with barely any dishes to wash after. This is why I love my Instapot Duo. If you're a busy mom like me and want easy, delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen, you need one of these in your life. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out for yourself. Also, let me know in the comments what's your go to quick meal. I love to try some new recipes. And don't forget to subscribe because I have more amazing product finds coming up that'll help you save time and make life a little more fabulous. See you in the next one.